Good evening. My name is Ranjan Bhattacharya. I am with the Indian team here. Thank you, Lukman Saab, for those kind words. Not so unkind also, part of it. But it's been really a revelation coming all the way to Pakistan to play this tournament. Right from the moment I heard that the Indian team is likely to go to Pakistan, and there were a lot of doubts, one thing was clear in my mind: come what may, we'll try our best to be here. So there were a lot of hiccups, like things are in the subcontinent. Nothing in subcontinent happens easy, and everything happens eventually. Like they say, as per Indian, traditions, that in the end everything will be fine. And if it is not fine, don't worry, it's not the end. So something similar happened, and lot of wheels moved, lot of good people came together. They put up their hands at the right time, and they did make it happen. So we are really, really happy. It's been a long cherished dream to come to this side of the border. Like I keep telling everybody, we are the same people divided by one imaginary line which nobody sees, but something is very difficult to come across. But having come here and interacted with the people of Pakistan, these lovely youngsters who have been going out of their way to make us comfortable here, GR team has been excellent. I mean, I can't fault them. I was thinking that supposing we have a tournament someday in India, will we be able to afford them to come all the way over there and help us out, organize it? They have done a fabulous job from day one. I think they have kept everybody happy. I don't know how they manage. Even God can't do that, but these people have managed it. So thank you all, Azan, Manur, and your team. You guys have been amazing. Coming to PBF, I think PBF has set a bar so high that we are not even going to attempt to cross it. Like I was telling everybody the other day, we will do our best to slide under it and do what we can. We can't match up. You guys have been amazing. And to the people of Pakistan, I can only say that it has been a great honor to be here. It's been an amazing experience, and we look forward to you people coming over to our side of the border, our side, and participating in events in India. It will be really a pleasure to have you all over. And in our own way, we will look after you. We will do whatever possible to make you comfortable. Thank you so much. This has been an amazing opportunity, amazing experience, and your hospitality, mashallah. Just can't compare. Thank you so much.
Amazing tournament. BFM were playing from 2013. I think Pakistan has really set an amazing standard for this tournament. Amazing hospitality. We feel completely secured in spite of all the things happening. And I want to thank PBF and the team for what they are doing, for making us so proud of the tournament. We would like to share the love from Bangladesh. We are actually regretting why didn't we come Lahore earlier. It's an amazing place. One of the best cities I have ever been, and I think the amazing food, the culture that matches us so much. We are feeling like we are at home. Thank you very much. Thank you PBF. Thank you Pakistan.
I'm speaking in behalf of my captain. She went to bed to rest. I want to say that we were touched by all the hospitality that we're getting from you Pakistani people, and the warm welcome and the good organization that you are taking good care of us, all of you. We are happy to be here, and thank you for everything.
Thank you, Hasan Qadir. This has been a brilliant tournament. I am participating in BFAM after a very long time. I've been in BC. I've played in so many NABCs. I tell you, this has been an amazing event, most well organized, and I'm sure you have laid down the claim to host the Bermuda Bowl next time, and I'm sure inshallah we will get it. It's a beautiful city, amazing arrangements and amazing leadership under you and Qadir. It's been all a resounding success, and I hope you get the Bermuda Bowl for 29 as you mentioned. Thank you very much.
I will repeat everything that everybody said. We have met good friends from the past, we have made new friends in the present and for the future, and we have shown that bridge brings us all together. There is no difference between us. We are all human beings. We all want the same things. And we also thank Mr. Musharraf and the Pakistani people. And I said yesterday, I don't know how I can go back to Jordan without police escort there, just a regular. Oh, really, thank you. You have surpassed everybody's expectation. I blame you that day before yesterday there was no dinner. This is very bad. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm not that good in speeches, but
Don't worry, if you don't speak well, I'll penalize you.
I'll try, I'll do my best. But I have to say that I'm really surprised. Really, it's my first time here in Pakistan, of course, in Lahore. And I really got surprised from how good they are, very, very disciplined and organized. And of course, very, very special thanks to Mr. Mubashir and his team. I've been in several countries before, organizing many events, but I never saw the president do that job by himself, dedicated, doing everything, notes everything, trying to do his best to let the players enjoy. Months ago, we started to prepare to this event. Whatever we asked from Mr. Mubashir, in no time it's ready, and this is the real success. The real success is from the organizing committee and the head organizing committee, not from the tournament directors. Of course, we are trying to do our best to give you an enjoyable event, and we still do, but the organizing committee is the key, really. About the Pakistani people, I've been outside several times. They are very kind, very nice. I'm really surprised from this country, from hospitality, from the kindness they are. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Mubashir. I hope you enjoyed, and I wish you very good luck for the coming events. And I support Pakistani Bridge Federation for any coming events. Thank you.
I don't have to speak about all the fantastic things you've done and the organizing committee have done and the volunteers and the helpers. There are no more words to say about them. They are beyond fantastic. So a big round of applause for Mr. Mubashir and his team. Now, coming to Pakistan, I must say, I was a little apprehensive. One reads and hears so many things, and one eventually is fearful for their own lives. That's the way the world is. So before I came, I had many reservations, many doubts. But once I was here, I had none. You people have looked after us so well. The security has been fantastic. There's a person on every floor, 3-4 people on every floor to protect us. How much more secure can we feel? Thank you very much. Now, talking about bridge experiences and my personal experiences, my relationship with Pakistan goes back from my ancestors. They were all born here. India was divided and into 2 countries, and unfortunately, my family went to what is now India. Some of them stayed behind what is Pakistan. But my culture, my origin, my heritage is from here. Now, coming to my other relationship, the person who actually brought me to the forefront of bridge was the most famous Pakistani bridge player so far ever produced, is the famous Zia Mahmood. And he came to India and played a tournament, and he recognized there is talent beyond Pakistan. So he invited me to come and play with him abroad, and we did, and we partnered each other quite often, and we won many things all over the world. And till today, in fact, right now I was in touch with him a few hours ago, congratulating him again for qualifying for America. He no longer plays for Pakistan. I had also moved to America, but I am back and playing for India. I said, it's time for you to come back and start playing for Pakistan. Maybe they'll again get back to the top of World Bridge. But I've traveled all over the world, played with players from everywhere, and as rightly said a short time ago, that bridge unites people, brings people together, and we're all the same. And that's what makes us keep coming back for more, whether we win or we lose. We always try to win, we want to win, but we're here. And we will be back, hopefully in Pakistan very soon, not only for the BFAME, but for other tournaments that you all organize, especially by you, President Saab. We will be back, and we invite you to our hospitality in India, which I'm sure we hope to reciprocate. So the bar is very high. Thank you again very much.
It's nice to have all the BFAME participants here, and I'd like to thank the organizers, especially you, for the way you've organized this tournament. It has been a wonderful experience for everybody, right from the time you received us at Wagah border to the time that we're spending this evening together. I think we have had the HCL tournament now for 13 years, and it has been a labor of a love and dedication, and I have a small team of representatives, some of them are here, who have assisted me right through in holding this tournament. But it is a different kind of tournament. It's organized in a different way. So the way you have laid this on, I don't think we could equal it. but we hope we'll do better, and you're a great inspiration for us. Bridge does break boundaries, and I feel that today, with Pakistan really making the effort to match the other world countries, it will be great if India and Pakistan both do well at the Bermuda Bowl and Venice Cup and mixed teams. So I look forward to all of us being together in Morocco, and let's talk about doing better things. Thank you very much.